try this again. Did you know that when you buy a lottery ticket, a scratcher one, you can scan the ticket to see if you win on the kiosk machine, the vending machine. And if it is a winner, you can actually deposit the money into that kiosk machine and actually buy more lottery tickets there. You don't have to take the ticket to the cashier. The only catch is there's no change. So if there's money left over, you have to keep buying lottery tickets. Otherwise, you don't get any change back.